ka jingjia kaba sngewsih kala jia ki thaiñ Hahim hajan khappud Assam Meghalaya hawa Gijang Singra Uwei briew uba kyrteng Epish N Sangma na ka shnong Maspara ngam jyllop ha ka katba udang leit tong dohkha ha ka wa Gijang Singra namar ka jingshlei kabajur kaba lawan kynsan na kilum Khasi ba shathie Katkum ka khubor leit tong dohkha hawa ryngkat bat ki paralok ki pulit ka athiabari bat ki shnong kila leit ryngkat ban sei ya katei ka medyap MLA Remington G momin jong ka ramrai ngam constituency ru leit ban jingo ya ki bahing Assam ban penpau ya ka jingshlei
But I think one person from Maspara village with my daughter. He had been blown away by the flood, by the water, big waters. And then I was coming from the Longstone, but suddenly I heard that it was happening like that. So I came here to see, since he's my daughter and my
But do you give any financial assistance or any help? Do you help the family or as a MLA?
So out of my heart, gratitude, I will pay myself, no? But amount I cannot say. But since it's my person, no? I was born to do, no? To the very family, no?
So how the incident happened?
When he went for fishing with a net, no? Fishing net, no? So suddenly water has come. Big water we can see, no? Flood has come. Then suddenly he crossed, tying the net on his waist, no? That's why he could not cross the river. And suddenly happened, no? Accident, we can say accident, no?
Later the local public
So since it is a daytime, no one is there, but his brother-in-law is there. But he crossed, but he helped. He asked help from him, but he was tired himself, no? They could not help that one. Then suddenly, what to do? Though we want to help, he also tired. He also crossing. They could not help like that. Recovery, though, I thank the police department. They have sacrificed as much as they can. Once they heard the news, this thing, so they came and rushed to the spot and they look for the dead body. But suddenly, by grace of, I can say, no, that body has been kept outside the river now. So that's why suddenly they could recover all this dead body.
Thank you.
Thank you.